This is construction update number 5, December 27th, and we're on site here on the Camino land in Faro, overlooking the 2-acre property as the sun goes down. Construction's almost finished on our main building. We'll walk you through that. You can see the staircase heading up to the top deck. Little entry porch here. Gives you a nice view out the valley. We have an entry room here. A little sitting and meeting area. We have one bedroom in here. Really nice view, lots of windows. View looking out over the mountains. This building has a concrete roof. Like I said in a previous update, it's one of the only buildings in Faro that has one, so this will be able to serve as a hurricane refuge if there's ever dangerous winds. This part's still under construction, but there will be a fantastic view from up here. These 4 columns will have a roof over them, and there will be a little countertop sink storage closet area here, a wooden railing that goes around the periphery, and this will be a space for meals and for meeting spaces. Rafael Plasencia is a key member of the Camino team and serves as our local coordinator and independent contractor. Rafael, ¿qué piensa de el progreso de el proyecto ya?
Estamos progresando. Yo no esperaba que para esta fecha íbamos a estar progresando tanto. Pero si Dios quiere, vamos a seguir trabajando y progresando para que el proyecto se haga cada vez más rápido y más fuerte y más fructífero.
Muy bien.
Si Dios nos da la salud y da los fondos, no vamos a parar hasta que no terminemos con esto.
Perfectamente, gracias. This new render provides a better view of the updated construction plan that includes the main building for staff housing and the rooftop terrace, along with the kitchen and 3 guest cabins. What's going to be cool about those cabins is that they'll be arranged sort of, it'll form like a horseshoe shape. So one there, a kitchen there, one here, and then one over here. They'll be pretty well spaced out, and all of them will be connected in the center with kind of like a central courtyard area that we'll have landscaped. And each of the cabins on the ridge here will have a porch, a little porch that looks out over this valley. This is a view from across the valley, looking up the hillside to the ridge where all of the buildings will lie. And here's another look at that render so you can get a sense of the location. The design of the cabins is pretty simple. They'll be about 18 by 18 feet with space for 2 bunk beds for 4 guests. Here's an interior render. The timeline for the next phases of construction is over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So we anticipate that all the cabins will be completed by mid-February.